Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Roberto Monico Ignacio here. So this is my reaction on three Cathay or CX77Ws that got retired in 2020. The rest of them. The first ones were BKPB and BKPG. BKPB was wearing the special Spirit of Hong Kong livery since December 2013, just before Christmas, and then she was delivered brand new in her old livery since 2007. She got her new economy seats on around 2012, and she was on a 333 configuration, the old one. BKPB is the first CX aircraft, 773ER, to retire from the CX fleet. She retired on October 1, 2018 after her last flight from Milan to Hong Kong. She even flew to Xiamen the next morning to remove her paint scheme. The next one was BKPG. BKPG retired on May 1, 2019 after her last flight from Chicago, Illinois to Hong Kong. She went to Xiamen the following morning to remove her paint to be repainted into the Azure Air paint scheme. KPG will be delivered to Azure Air as BQBZF ASAP soon. BKPB is now with Nordwind Airlines Russia as VPBJP. But in 2020, more 773ERs have retired from the Cathay fleet. These three are BKPC, BKPH, and BKPK. BKPC retired on February 1, 2018 because she has to return back to her lessor and she flew to Xiamen the following morning. BKPH was followed after her last flight from Sydney to Hong Kong. She flew to Xiamen on August 1, 2020 to be on permanent storage and to rest there in Haikou, Xiamen, along with their fellow aircraft BKPK. BKPK was actually the second aircraft to retire after BKPC, then BKPH. BKPK last flight was London to Hong Kong, and then she used to have an incident regarding an ATC on the taxiway, and then she surprisingly taxied back to her gate. After her last flight from London Heathrow to Hong Kong on BKPK, she flew to Xiamen the next morning, and as of today, she has stayed in Xiamen for over 200 days because of her retirement. Because these three birds, along with KPB and KPG, have returned to their lessors. And my reaction is, I was shocked, surprised, and sad. Because KPB is the most beautiful and gorgeous 773ER in the world when she got her Spirit of Hong Kong livery. BH&K replaced her. BH&K is the blended Spirit of Hong Kong livery and this is the 4th generation one. After the B742 and the B744, BHIB and BHOX. Then BKPB was the 3rd. Then BH&K was the 4th. Along with their fellow aircraft, BHYB will be tied to the 4th generation Spirit of Hong Kong livery of Cathay Dragon, aka KA. So that's all guys for my reaction. And for you guys and viewers, what will be your reaction regarding BKPB, BKPG, BKPH, BKPC, and BKPK permanently leaving the CX fleet? Leave it in your comments below. So, by the way, I'm really sad right now and disappointed because of what happened earlier, that BKPC, BKPH, and BKP Gate got returned to their lessors recently. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell button for more upcoming videos. Bye guys, and see you later.